Many people did hop on a plane today to fly home for the holidays, but knowing what you need to pack is crucial if you want to make it through TSA and onto your plane without any issues. 41 Action News reporter Allie Hoxie is live at KCI. And Allie, we actually spoke earlier today. The TSA actually collects 200 pounds of items from people because they didn't pack correctly. We all think we know what we can take, but we really don't, huh?
Yeah, you're exactly right, Rhiannon, and you think you know, but it's going to... you really have to think about what you're packing. Take a look behind me. This is just one of many TSA lines, and when you don't think about what you're packing, it slows down the line, and part of getting through the TS line fast is knowing what you can and can't pack. If the TSA has ever stopped you while trying to catch your flight, you're not alone.
A can of food, because I brought it with me and they said no, there was too much liquid in it and they made me throw it away.
My husband has donated 2 or 3 knives, but we finally, because he always carried one, from the time he was a little kid.
Some of the most common items the TSA sees is toiletries like hairspray or shaving gel, but they've seen plenty of the unusual, including this baton, guns, or this statue that's really a knife. Either way, it slows the TSA down.
Each individual item is really like another passenger because we're going to have to rescreen them. And when that's over an extended period of time, minutes, hours into the day, it's like a tidal wave in terms of the processing time for passengers.
Depending on the item, you have the option of getting rid of it. You can put it into your checked bag, place it back in your car, or mail it to yourself. Also, if you're flying with gifts, it's best to wait on wrapping them.
If we have to do a secondary screening on the item, when you come through the checkpoint, we're going to have to unwrap it.
The TSA recommends using gift bags instead. And if you have any other questions on what is and is not allowed,
the TSA website has a list of things you can and can't bring, so we're just pretty careful about bringing only things you can.
now, if you really want to bring a liquid, you can, but only 3.4 ounces. For example, this lotion you would be able to bring past the TSA checkpoint. It's 1.7 ounces. Or this perfume. Reporting live from KCI, Allie Hoxie, 41 Action News.